Turning dreams into reality takes more than hope. It takes direction, planning, and action. When it comes to your money, every decision you make becomes a brick in the foundation of your future. Think of financial goals like a blueprint to building the dream you want. A dream home doesn't appear overnight. It begins with a plan, measurements, and steady progress. Your finances work in the same exact way. So let's break it down. A goal without a deadline is a fantasy. Saying, oh, I just want to save money sounds good, but without a timeline, it lives in your imagination. If you have a goal and a deadline, now you have an objective. If you say, I want to save $5,000 by December 31st, now you have direction, a finish line to aim for. Next, let's look at having a goal, having a deadline, having a plan. That equals to intention. And you say, I'll save $5,000 by saving $200 every paycheck. A plan gives your money purpose and movement. But if you have a goal, a deadline, a plan, and consistent action, that equals results. Showing up each day, transferring those funds and adjusting when life gets lifey, that's where the progress happens. Reaching that $5,000 isn't just about a number. It's about discipline, growth, and knowing that you created change. That feeling, that's financial confidence building. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone or do it in your head. Our MYFISavvy journals and our SMART Goals worksheets make this process very simple, very visual, and achievable for both adults and kids. It's never too early to make money fun and intentional. I plan to use this process with my 7-year-old and my 4-year-old, teaching them how to set goals, track progress. It's never too early to start teaching these things. We're starting small, maybe saving for a book or a toy, but also what they want to do in the upcoming year when it comes to school, their personal goals, and we're going to turn that into lifelong skills. So make sure you come back with your kids and watch how we set these goals with a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old. You don't want to miss it. Because these habits are what grow into lifelong financial skills. So whether your goal is to pay off debt, build savings, plan a trip, or invest in the future, the system stays the same. You have to have SMART goals with written intention and have a consistent follow through. Your success starts with one simple step, writing your goals down. So grab your MYFISavvy journal and look at your SMART goals worksheet, and let's start the journey together. Imagine what your life could look like this time next year if you start planning today. So make sure you go to our website and get your journal. Let's plan 2026 together as a team.